A hard Brexit would be deeply damaging to Ireland. It would be damaging, of course, to the peace process because it would involve the reimposition of a hard border with all the tension that that would bring in. But remember, it would also be very, very difficult for us economically. Ireland has expanded hugely in terms of its export markets, but Britain is still our biggest single export market. It's right next door to us. We're very, very strongly connected to it. A hard Brexit would mean that you would have the reimposition of tariffs. It would mean that you would have, even worse for businesses, you would have the reimposition of just the paperwork, the bureaucracy that goes with having to move goods and services from one country to a country that's in a different customs regime. So in particular, it would be bad for small and medium-sized Irish businesses, which tends to be in areas like food and drink. They'll be very, very badly hit. And so I think it's in the interests of everybody on the island of Ireland to try to avoid a hard Brexit.